She got me in my feelings. Gotta be real with it.
If you guys are interested in learning how to lay your frontal wigs like a pro, keep watching. Okay, so jumping right into it, I just was kind of trying to show you guys that it was a full lace wig. But for the products that I used the Cream of Nature styling foam and then the Got to Be Glued black gel. Those are the only two products I use to lay the edges on my frontals. I go in with the styling foam first and kind of just lay on the edges and on the part as well. And I use that to kind of get the edges to lay where I want them to. I don't ever cut baby hairs, but if you want to, you can still use this method. Now for the hair, I received this hair from LuHair. Like I said, it is a full lace wig and it's in their loose wave texture. This is the wig called Tanisha. Just for references, if you guys want to purchase this wig, it is 18 inches. It had a pre-plucked hairline. I barely even plucked it, and it was 180 density. And I got the cap size medium, and my lace color was medium brown. Now I just went in with my edge brush and kind of just swooped and looped and da 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 da, all the good stuff. But for the hair, I literally just sprayed it with water and brushed it out with a diamond brush, and that's the texture I got. It's not your normal loose wave texture, but I'm feeling it. So once I kind of get finished up, pulling out all the edges and hairs that I want, I go back over that and put some Got to Be Glued just a little teensy weensy bit, as I was trying to show you guys, and I kind of put it at the root of the swoop of the edge, if that makes sense, and then I brush back over it so it will stay into place. Overall, this is probably one of my favorite wigs I've ever received. The hair is like so soft and lightweight, and the wig is very easy to apply. Um, yeah, I mean, there's not really much more to explain. Pretty much self-explanatory, but once you kind of go back over it and brush the Got to Be Glued through the edge that you pulled out with the styling foam, you want to tie it up. And I tied it up. I usually tie it up until I'm ready to go, or while I'm doing my makeup or something like that, and then I'll just take it off. And once you take it off, you're good to go. You're finished, and stay tuned to see the finished result. Love y'all, and I will see you guys in the next one.